Hi everyone. So in this course of Google Form to SAP integration, you will learn complete end-to-end process of how to create a Google Form, how to capture the Google Form responses in the Google Sheets, and from Google Sheet how we can pass the data to the SAP system through REST API. So you know end-to-end concept how to do this. So let me show you a quick demo. So this is just simple like scenario of a contact us, simple but very useful on every website, every portal. Most of the time we see a form like contact us. Okay, so user will just submit the details from Google form either through website, portal or through separate marketing link, and we need to capture the responses in the SAP system. So this will be the login user email ID. From here they will select they will enter the name. Okay, then their email address. Then next is the mobile number. Then message like new course details. And once they submit, so first we can see the response in Google Sheet as per the standard Google Sheet and Google Form integration. Okay, and the recommend is like instead of like manual entering all the Google Form response in the SAP system, the system should pass all the record in the backend SAP automatically. So once it takes 10 to second, see here we can see the new record is created. Earlier it was 5 and 6. Now it is 6. We can see the new response here. Okay, new course detail. So this will avoid completely like manual entry of your data from Google Form. Once the form is submitted anywhere, automatically we will get that data in the system. And once we have the data in system, from here onwards you can add whatever you want. Okay, like inquiry follow up, email communication, marketing communication, anything we can done. And once the data is submitted in the SAP system, we can also see the response in your Google Sheets. If you go to apps script, in your apps script execution, okay, if you expand the particular record, so here whenever it is submitted, we can see the response code, we can see the response ID, complete JSON. Okay, this complete end-to-end process, like how we can integrate a Google form with SAP via REST API, you can learn through this course. Thank you.